Hi, Pam Harris here. Just wanted to come on and tell you that if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, there's a way that you can really make high ticket sales. So, I have a friend of mine, Josh. He's been in this market for quite a while now. Last couple of years actually, not 20 or 30 years. And Josh is going to show you a step by step method as to how you can actually make good money, high ticket sales, and affiliate marketing. Again, just stay tuned, and Josh is going to come on and tell you about that. So, if you haven't done so already, I'd like for you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell right down there below so that you can make certain that you get notification of my next videos. Like my channel and share my channel. So, get your pencil and paper ready. So you're going to learn how to do high ticket sales.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make high ticket affiliate marketing sales without any prior experience whatsoever. First of all, let's cover what exactly high ticket affiliate marketing is. Typically, in general affiliate marketing, if you're promoting ClickBank products, you're typically promoting products anywhere between like a few dollars all the way up to about a couple $100s. That's considered low ticket. And you have mid ticket that's right around $300 to $500. And then you have high ticket, which is typically over $500 and anywhere between $1,000 all the way up to $10,000 plus. Now, there's a misconception that people think that high ticket actually takes more effort and more work to make money from versus low ticket. And so a lot of people, they sort of shoot themselves in the foot by doing low ticket affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to prove to you that, undoubtedly that you could be doing high ticket affiliate marketing with the same effort, the same work as low ticket affiliate marketing. Now, even ask my brother, he will actually tell you that high ticket affiliate marketing works, and it works extremely well. Right, bro?
It definitely does work. I know firsthand.
So we're actually going to dive into this. If you're excited for this video, give me a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So as you can see right here, we're logged into my Stripe dashboard. We're logged into my merchant account. And as always, I like to show proof of concept. I like to show that what I'm teaching actually works. So we're going to go ahead and refresh the page right here. Give it a little time to load. So as you guys can see, if I go back from last week, Monday, June 24th, to today, July 2nd, just a little over a week, $11,453.62, following the same exact process I'm about to show you. And some of my other students have actually implemented this same exact process. And this is a brand new process. You haven't seen this process before. I just recently uploaded the training to my membership site. And my boy Scott took this, immediately went out there, implemented it, and got his first $1,250 commission. So huge shout out to him for taking action. Guys, this stuff works. If you suspend disbelief, if you put your limiting beliefs aside and just go for this and be consistent with it, you can see the same exact results. And then we're here in my obviously private Facebook group, and you can see the testimonial here once again. We got lots of different testimonials here. Again, Scott Anderson says, seriously, thank you so much. You are an awesome mentor, and I'm excited to keep implementing. You're the man. And he said that this came from YouTube and Facebook Messenger. So that's what we're going to show you how to do. We're going to show you how to leverage the power of social media, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, or really any other platform online, how to leverage that and use Facebook Messenger combined and make $1,000 and even $2,000 commissions. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll up here. Obviously, you can see tons of other people that are just joining our program, that are a part of this private Facebook group. Obviously, Brian Dixon, one of my business partners, he's doing Facebook training in here. We're welcoming brand new members every single day. We've got Dylan Osborne, who is fired up, and obviously getting results from the training within here too as well. So let's go ahead and let's show you the process. You guys actually saw this in the previous video, kind of a 30,000 foot overview of what it takes to sell high ticket, but we're going to go into more detail within this video. So this is the right way to sell high ticket. Obviously, most people always try and just take traffic and send it to an affiliate link. And what they're doing is they're just bombarding people with just sells affiliate links. And you do not want to do that. You need to be building a relationship and a bond with people before you even send them to a checkout page. They shouldn't even know that you have something to offer unless they contact you personally or one of your team members. That's one of the best ways to market, because then you're doing completely opposite of what most people are doing. Because right now, most people are just spamming you with their affiliate links inside of Facebook groups, on YouTube videos. You can't actually get access to any of my products right now unless you connect with myself or one of my team members personally. That's the only way you can get access to my programs, because we need to genuinely see if you're a good fit. So here's the process that we follow and the process that we've used on other students. Like obviously you see Scott here. So let's go ahead and walk you through it. So number one, you need traffic, right? Traffic is the lifeblood of your business. Traffic equals eyeballs to your sales funnel, your websites, your sales pages. Without customers coming to your websites, you're not going to make any money. So it's obvious that you can leverage traffic from platforms like the platform that you're on right now, YouTube. You can leverage Facebook. You can leverage email marketing, solo ads. You can leverage banner ads. You can leverage CPA networks. There's tons of traffic online. The idea is to focus on one, right? I've been doing YouTube for the past 5 years. And essentially what I do is I take people from my YouTube videos, and you'll be able to obviously go through this process. You can click the link below and check it out. But essentially it's going to take you to this page right here first. And it's going to give you a free training for you entering your email address. So I show you within this training how I predictably get 10 to 20 high ticket sales every single month promoting other people's products. And then you go to the case study video right here, in which I show you kind of the process that I went through from January to till now to do over $300,000 in profit in my affiliate marketing business. And then I obviously give you the ability to get access to all my assets, get access to everything that I used in my business, including the traffic sources, to make $300,000 within the past 6 months or so. So if you're somebody that's obviously a good fit, you're more than likely going to click the link below, and that's going to send you straight to Facebook Messenger. Now, within Messenger, there's a method to the madness. You might be thinking, okay, you're not getting on the phone with people. You're not selling over the phone. You're selling through chat, and you can actually promote products that are, $2,000 plus over chat and create income from this without talking to people on the phone. Well, of course, yes, this works. The proof is in the pudding. As you can see here, once again, $11,000 within the past about week and a day. So this process works. So how does it actually work? Once somebody goes from the opt-in page, right, this page here, to the pre-sale page, which again, this page here, and then to the pre-qualification process, which is this page here. Same process that you would pretty much put people through if you were to sell just a $47 product. The only difference is you're not sending them to the sales page, you're sending them to Facebook Messenger. And then within Messenger, I ask them specific questions that pertain to their situation. So there's about 11 or 12 questions that I ask, right? And this is the actual script that I use, all the way from message 1 down to message, there's multiple message about 12, right? I even got a financial check question that I ask people in case they're in a position where they can't invest in my program. So you'll notice that everything is systematic, and it doesn't require you to go out there and get on the phone and talk to people for hours and learn all these one-liners and go to sales seminars or anything like that. This has all been proven over the course of the past 5 years, and just having multiple conversations. I developed this script from doing just years and years and years of just in the trenches work. So the question is, right, this is blurred out. Obviously, this is just for my students. I can't just give away this for free. What if you had access to this, though? What if you had access to not only this script, but you had access to this whole entire sales process that you can copy and pass off as your own? Heck, I'll even give you this case study video. I'll give you the whole entire funnel. All you need to do is click the link below, have a chat with me, right? See if you're a good fit for the program. And that's the number one goal. We don't approve everybody. We get a lot of people that come in and say, Josh, how much is the program? Well, we need to find out if you're actually a good fit first, because we don't just want to be bringing people on board because we're going to make money. We're all about success stories. If we can create more success stories, we're going to make more money, and we're going to help our students make more money as well. So how would you like access to this whole entire process? No stone left unturned. If that's something that you're interested in, that's something you want access to, go ahead, click the link in the description below, check it out. If not, use this in your own sales process if you're an affiliate marketer. One of the cool things about this, not just an affiliate marketer, but any other type of marketer out there, is the fact that you won't see a decrease in your income if you are an affiliate marketer. A lot of people are plugging into these automated businesses and automated systems that claim that they're automated when they're really not, right? You send people through like a $1 trial offer, they connect with a coach, and then pretty much the whole sell is out of your hands, because now it's up to that coach that your lead was sent to close your prospect. And so what happens with a lot of coaches and a lot of salespeople is they might have one really good month, and then the next month their sales decrease. And so that's why as an affiliate marketer, you're reliant upon another company, upon another person for your livelihood and your income. So what if you had access to this messenger process where you could actually close people through chat and not see a decrease in your income, see an increase in your income? If you want access to it, click the link below. We'll see if you're a good fit. And if you got value from this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon if you like videos like this, you want to receive more, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Josh did a great job, didn't he? So if you need any extra information or you have questions, please make certain that you send me a message. I have that down below. Also, you can give me a call if you have any questions and you want to talk. All my top money-making online business is listed down below, and also some of the tools that I use. So, again, thank you for watching. Pam Harris here. Have yourself a great day till the next video.